हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इट्स मी गुरबला अग्रवाल। वेलकम टू बैक टेक्निकल ऑन मी चैनल। और आज के हमारे वीडियो का टॉपिक है हाउ कैन वी वर्क इन एमएस वर्ड वर्किंग विद ग्राफिक्स। Graphics, as the meaning of the graphics, you can easily understand there are some kind of pictures, graphics, clip art, shapes, any kind of the things, images are there. We can be insert in MS Word, and then we can be also formatting on them. Okay, so first of all, we select our MS Word, then open it, then go to the insert tab, and in insert tab you can be see there illustration group. In illustration group we can select picture are there. When you click on this picture icon, then a dialog box will be appear, and then you can select a picture from there and click on insert option. If you want to be take an online pictures, then just go to again insert tab, illustration group, and online pictures option. When you click on here, then a dialog box will be appear, and then you can be select a picture from your लोकेशन, जहाँ जिस भी लोकेशन पे यू आर saving already pictures, then you can be select from there and then click on this insert option, and then you can be easily insert between your paragraph and selected position your pictures are there. You can see there. Okay, you can easily insert your online pictures, or pictures are here. If you want to be add on a clip art from insert tab, then you can be easily do that. The same steps, go to the insert option, then go to the illustration group, then click on insert, then you click on the clip art and select a picture from the clip art, and then click on insert. Next is how can we resize the picture. What do you mean by the resize the picture are here? Resize means you can be increase or decrease the size of your picture. So what to do? First of all, select your picture. When you click on the picture, then you can be see the resizing handles. 8 handles are there. You can just select your picture and click here, and then drag your mouse. Okay, if you want to be increase, then decrease, increasing your picture. If you want to be decrease size, then decrease your size of picture. Okay, with the help of the mouse you can be easily drag your picture, increasing and decreasing size, and then you release your mouse there where you want to be there. Next point is how can we rotate our picture. Okay, अभी guys आपने देखा कि when I select this picture, then it shows ना 8 handlers are there. Okay, so here an option is rotating. You can see easily here rotation option. When I click in this rotation option, then you can rotate your picture 360 डिग्री. ओके, आप अपने पिक्चर को 360 डिग्री पर रोटेट कर सकते हैं, एंड जस्ट रिलीज अकॉर्डिंग टू योर रिक्वायर्ड पोजिशंस आर देयर. You can see here in this picture your picture. First of all, selecting from here, and then you can be easily rotate your picture according to your required direction. Next point is layout or wrap text. What do you mean by the wrap text or layout is here? When you insert a image between two lines of text, first of all go to the select your picture, and then after that go to the layout option. Now you can see here in this diagram some layout options are here. If you want to be between two lines, then you can be use that. If you want to be right side, background, front of the text, according to requirement you can select any options are there. If you want to be picture bottom and top both side, then you can be select that option. If you want to be square, then you can be select also square options are there. Next is cropping the image. What do you mean by the cropping? Cropping is a tool that is provide a facility to delete unwanted parts of a picture. If you want to be remove unwanted part of a picture, then you can be use this cropping option. Just go to your format option. Okay, when you click on the format tool, then you can see there a crop option is there. I hope you can be see easily. When you click on this, then your picture will be highlighted, and then you can be select your part which you want to be there. Rest of the part that is an unwanted part, that will be cropped here or cut it properly. Okay, Now you can see in this image easily which one is in a cropping here, unpointed part it is removed, and actual picture this is. Next है adding styles to the pictures. Adding style to the pictures का मतलब है you can सेलेक्ट अ प्री डिफाइंड स्टाइल्स, जो कि आपके पीसी के अंदर ऑलरेडी प्री डिफाइंड सब स्टाइल्स होती हैं. यू कैन बी सेलेक्ट दैट एंड चेंज योर पिक्चर लुक. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गो टू द फॉर्मेट टूल. इन फॉर्मेट टूल just select picture style. In picture style, when you click on this icon, then multiple designs will be appear here. You can select any one according to your required. आप स्क्वायर में सेलेक्ट करते हैं, राउंड में सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. यू कैन बी ऑल्सो सेलेक्ट इन द बॉर्डर स्टाइल, यू कैन बी 3D स्टाइल, एनी वन विच यू वांट टू बी देयर. जस्ट सेलेक्ट योर पिक्चर एंड देन यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर. ओके, दैट इज इन सर्कल शेप. यू कैन बी सी हेयर अकॉर्डिंग टू योर रिक्वायरमेंट. Next is inserting clip art. I already explained how can we insert in a clip art is there. Some kind of the GIF images or photographs or videos are there. You can be insert easily with the help of the clip art. Go to the insert option, then illustration groups, then online pictures. You can be select there clip arts. Otherwise, any if there is no online pictures are option, then you just click on the clip art option. There some clip art pictures are available. You can select according to your requirement and then click on insert option. Okay, next is inserting shapes. What to do the inserting shapes. You can be see some kind of the shapes are here. You can be easily insert a shape in your document and you can be use like lines, rectangle, some kind of the arrows, education, equation shapes, flow charts, anything. So first of all, go to the insert tab, then illustration group and select shape option. When you click on this option, a pop-up menu will be appear according to your requirements. You can just select your shape and then when you click on it, then you can see in the working area your picture will be appear. If you want to be add a text in this picture, just right click here and click on add text. Then you can easily insert a text in your picture. Now setting shape color and setting outline color. If you want to be change a color in your shape, if you want to be given an outline color, just go to here and select any one color from here. After that you can be see there easily which one color you have to be selected, that according your picture color will be changed. If you want to be change the border or outline of your picture, just click on border or outline of your picture, then you can see easily your picture color will be changed. Okay, if you want to be just delete your picture or shape, just select your picture or image and then click on delete key with the help of keyboard. आप कीबोर्ड से अपनी delete की को प्रेस करेंगे, then your picture or shape will be removed from there. Next is inserting word art. word art का मतलब क्या है, पहले सबसे पहले हम ये समझेंगे. You can insert आर्टिस्टिक वे और डेकोरेटिव वे और टेक्स्ट इन योर डॉक्यूमेंट. आप कोई भी टेक्स्ट है उसे अगर किसी भी आर्ट के स्टाइल में लिखना चाहते हैं, आप उसको कुछ डेकोरेटिव वे में लिखना चाहते हैं इन योर डॉक्यूमेंट, देन यू कैन बी यूज योर वर्ड आर्ट ऑप्शन. देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गो टू इंसर्ट टैब, देन टेक्स्ट ग्रुप एंड देन क्लिक ऑन वर्ड आर्ट. सो you can see here, just click insert option, then text group. In text group, select your word art option. You can be see there some kind of the word art options are here. Just click on it, then a dialog box will be appear. You just enter your text here, like in this see, you can see in this picture computer, and then you can see in your work area also. If you want to be change any kind of the color, if you want to be size, if you want to be shape, just click here. Okay, then you can see there some kind of the options are here. According to your requirement, you can be apply any style or format on your word art. If you want to be change the color of the word art, just go to the format option, select a color, fill color, text color. If you want to be gradients, then you can be easily apply on your word art color change here. Again, if you want to be delete your word art, just select your word art and then press delete key from the keyboard. Next point is how can we print the document. If you want to be take out a print of your document, just go to the file tab, select your content. Before the going to file option, select your content, go to the file tab and then just press your print option. When you click on the print option, then you can see there also print preview and take on a printout are there. For taking a printout, just click on the print option. When you click on the print option, this kind of the dialog box will be appear. Just select your orientation, your printer, how many copies you want to be there. Just select your number of the pages and just click on OK button. So I hope this video you will be like, you can be easily understand the point and the chapter of your book. If you like my video and channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you.